how to buy the ticket in Live Nation. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can buy the tickets in Live Nation. So the very first step that you should do is launch your preferred browser. I simply choose Google Chrome for this. You can choose any of it. And now on the top search bar you need to search for Live Nation, and you will see a website with LN on it. Just tap on there and then you will see an interface like this. So from here you need to tap on the profile icon which is on the top right side, and what you need to do is tap your email address and password. By chance if you don't have account, then you need to register by tapping on the register account, register option, and then again you will see an interface like this. So if you want to search for any artist, venue or event, then you can simply search here. If not, then just scroll down. So if I want to search for Lainey, then what you need to do is just tap filter by city by tapping my location, and when I tap on the certain event that I want to be, I will just scroll down and then I will see the blue box option with buy tickets written in it. When I tap on it, I can simply buy the ticket, and just like that we are done. So I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe, and also comment in the comment section below.